Whitening teeth has become the most sought-after cosmetic procedure in recent times, increasing the number of patients seeking more whiter, shinier teeth. However, many are confused about whether the benefits from teeth whitening can last and whether it's worth the effort and time put into the procedure. For answering this question, it's crucial to comprehend how whitening is done. Whitening teeth involves the application of bleaching agents that remove discoloration and stains from the enamel of teeth. The most commonly used bleaching substances used in whitening are hydrogen peroxide and carbamide. The agents break down the stains that are on teeth into smaller particles and makes teeth appear more white and radiant. The outcomes of whitening your teeth depend on the technique used and the habits of each person's mouth hygiene. Overall, the effects from teeth whitening may vary from just a few months to as long as a couple of years. The diet you eat and smoking, as well as the way you brush your teeth, can influence the length of time that results from the teeth whitening process last. Should you choose to get the process of professional tooth whitening through dentists, and the result can last as long as 3 years when properly taken care of. You must follow the guidelines for post-treatment provided by your dentist so that the benefits remain as long as is possible. This could mean avoiding food and beverages that may make teeth stained, including tea, coffee, or red wine, as well as practicing good hygiene, including flossing and brushing often. Teeth whitening products available at the store, including strip-type toothpastes, whitening toothpastes, as well as gels, are an option for those who want to enhance their smile. Though these products don't give the same amount of whitening results as professional treatment options, they could nonetheless be efficient in removing superficial stains as well as improving the appearance of your teeth. The results from these products will typically not last the same amount of time as professional procedures and could have to be applied often to ensure outcomes. It's important to take into consideration the dangers and adverse effects associated with bleaching your teeth before making a decision you want to try the procedure. There are some who experience more sensitive teeth or irritation to the gums when they whiten their teeth, and this could be a temporary issue or last for a long time according to the particular. It's important to talk about any issues or risks with your dentist prior to undertaking tooth bleaching. As a result, the effects of tooth whitening could last from a few months to as long as a couple of years, based on the technique used and specific factors. Treatments for teeth whitening that are performed by a dentist could deliver longer-lasting results. However, other products sold over the counter might need to be applied more frequently for maintaining whiter teeth. You should consider the benefits and risks of teeth whitening prior to going through the process in order to have the healthiest, bright smile.